Deep tech startups are startups that work in the frontier of knowledge. We're talking about breakthroughs in science, math, engineering, biology, and that work to solve grand challenges of humankind. Let's say produce more food for the increasing population, make sure this increasing population lives longer and lives better. In order to tackle those challenges, you need really high-end technology, and this works in laboratories and universities. And the job of these companies is to take that from the university and from the research to the market in a fast and achievable way. So deep tech startups are now pretty much everywhere you can see. We're talking about energy production in your house. We're talking about new cosmetics that are safer and more effective. And in our case, we're talking about medicines, drugs, and treatments that cure cancer, that cure autoimmune diseases, and that make sure that people who are actually are living longer and living better. And even if you go into the agriculture sector, we're talking about more food production and less chemicals being used. We're talking about climate change as well. So plants that resist more to heat and to drought. And these helps us maintain the supply of food everywhere in the world. And deep tech startups are solving those kind of issues everywhere around. So Brazil is also a great place to be in the health sector for biotechnology, for example. We have one of the most diverse populations in the world that allows for a lot of the treatments that are being tested and being brought to market to be tested in all of these different populations, making sure it's actually effective worldwide. And besides that, we have top-notch scientists, we have top-notch universities, and what we need right now is for the people to see the return that you can get from these investments and from these startups to actually start investing more and make sure Brazil is actually a powerhouse in biotech, in biodiversity, and not only in the tech and in the software sectors, which is where our investment is currently focused. Our job here is to make sure that this kind of development is being achieved in Brazil itself.